Welcome! This is a Finally Be Learning tutorial. Today we'll take a look at Waggle processes for the admin user. Here's what this lesson covers. What Waggle is, as well as how to set up custom job folder processes with a custom set of steps to fit an organization's recruitment needs. So what is Waggle? Waggle is our lightweight candidate management system. It's simple and easy to use and works seamlessly across your desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here you'll see the Waggle homepage. To start, click on your profile in the top right and then select Admin. Then click on the Processes tab. A process is a series of steps within a job folder. These processes align with an organization's hiring needs. From here you can see all the custom processes that are currently in place. As a Waggle admin user, you have the ability to set up a custom process. You can click on New Process in the top right, or you can click on the Settings icon to edit an existing process. Let's click on New Process. You are then prompted to add a process title and description. Note that you can change the title later just by clicking. From here you have the option to set up a default job folder process. First, you must flip the switch to On and click Save. Setting a default job folder process means that any new job folders created will automatically pick up this process. Next, you'll see the option to set a role restriction. If you do not designate a role restriction, this means that everyone can see this process. If you add a role restriction, only the role you specify can see this process. Role restrictions allow for control over who is allowed to apply these processes to a given job folder, and to make sure that the right processes are set up for the right people. To set a role restriction, first click on Select Role. Let's select Waggle Administrator and Waggle Recruiter for example. Great! Next you'll see the New, Maybe, Shortlist, and Exclude steps are all steps that you cannot change. If you have any further questions, you can click on the question mark icon for more information. Notice you can change the process step. You have the option to delete by clicking the X. You can replace the process step with any number of custom steps you'd like. For example, if you want to change the title, first type the title you'd like, and then click outside of the box. To add another custom step, click Add New Process Step. Type the name you'd like and click Add New Process Step once more. You can move the steps around by clicking on the icon on the right, then simply drag them up or down. When you are happy with your custom steps, click Save. Now, anyone who uses the campus recruiting process will see the appropriate steps within a folder. Now, anyone who uses the campus recruiting process will see the appropriate steps within a job folder. Let's take a look. First, click on the folders icon. Click on a job folder and then where it says None. Then click on Campus Recruiting and select. Notice the addition of the custom steps you created in the admin screen. Great, so far we've learned how easy it is to set up a Waggle process. You can restrict them to roles for control. You can set up a default so that job folders pick up a process automatically. And lastly, you can simply choose None to leave job folders as they currently are. Here's a summary of what we've covered in this Waggle tutorial. We learned what Waggle is, as well as how to set up custom job folder processes with a custom set of steps to fit an organization's recruitment needs. Thanks. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have any further questions, please ask our expert team by visiting finally.com/help.